They're fucking running shit here in Utah. Fuck you bitches. You fucking maggots. Lost America. No more kings. No more kings. No more you fucking self-righteous motherfuckers with that corn cob shoved so far up your ass that it's turned you out into its bitch. Those on top controlling everything, and it's trickling down our ass. You got a bottleneck up top that's holding all that fucking shit. Fucked up, fucked off, fucked over. They want to bend you over like you're their rover. What the fuck? Move the fuck over. Let Jimmy take over. Huh. Fuck you shit. From the ground up, following the blueprints that lead to life and God and my Savior, Jesus Christ, the one in our universe with that heart, the walk with God. He didn't pay for us for our future to burn in hell the way that we're sinning it. And global warming is absolutely fucking real. Yes. But with God and following the plan, the Fibonacci sequence, just one of many of those. And that shows us what we get back if we incorporate the blueprints that lead to life, the author, God.